Hey guys, I'm John out of Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Roll Tide. I'm the owner of Anytime Mobile RV Repair LLC, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. If you have any RV repair needs, whether it be questions, repairs, insurance, third-party warranties, let us know, guys, and we'll come out to the scene with the trailer and the truck and come out there and do whatever you got. Call us. We go all over the state. We go all over the southeast United States if the jobs are worth it. Call the best. Call Mr. West, owner of Anytime Mobile RV Repair LLC, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Say your prayers. We love you. We love all people and just want everybody to save money. Thank you.